Kaizer Chiefs striker Chavaviro appears to have received a very special present from his significant wife after turning 32 years on Thursday. Amakhosi centre forward Chavaviro celebrated his 32th birthday on Thursday, with his wife Zinhle seemingly blessing him with an unreal gift on his special day. The former Moromokalan star is enjoying a relatively positive second season, with the Soweto Giants managing 3 goals in 7 appearances in all competitions so far, with the striker raring to go again when Chiefs Betway Premiership campaign resume with the midweek clash against Richards Bay. The Targetman received the PlayStation 5 console as a birthday gift.
Happy birthday, dear Daddy! Happy birthday to you! Yip! Hooray! We bought your PS5.
Oh, woo, thank you.
It cost a lot of money.
Is it? And then you bought it for me.
Mom. Me.
Why you bought it for me?